by imeetu is very handy and portable. See, I can hold it in my fist. So it's very ideal for traveling, grocery shopping, and Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is I'm going to review an imeetu card holder wallet. So thank you very much for sponsoring this product to me and make a review because I really like it. Okay, so watch out for this video my amigos and amigas and enjoy! Let's start my amigos and amigas opening this imeetu card holder wallet. Actually, I used it already 3 days ago or 4 days ago. I just want to share with you my amigos and amigas because I really like using it and I will rate it later. And I will put the description in the link later too, okay? So let's start my amigos and amigas, the imeetu card holder wallet. Okay. This one. So, imeetu, they put their card here. imeetu, you meet better. Well, it's a nice coding. And the zipper. So let's check inside. Okay? Let's look inside my amigos and amigas. I removed my card because I want to show you what's inside. Okay. So this is the keychain. It's removable though, if you want to remove it or not. And it has a 12 card slot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 card slot for your card, and also it got a zipper inside, which is really good for me guys because I really want, whenever I go shopping, I got some extra coins, I really put it in my wallet. But this one is all in one. You can put cards and you can put coins and also your paper bill. It's here. You can put here or here. So two sides or some paper here. Any extra paper you can put. See inside? So this card holder wallet is made up of genuine leather. It's very soft. See? It's soft and it's very durable. Okay. And one thing that I like about this card holder wallet by imeetu, it has a RFID, which means it's a radio frequency identification. Means my amigos and amigas, it can prevent your cards from being stolen or from being stolen your information. So it's very safe and you must have it in your everyday life because you might not know your wallet might don't have an RFID protection. So this one is very good. Got RFID technology inside. And also you can put something here other than some card too. Any you can put pictures. It's very clear window ID. So, and also you can remove this one too, but I prefer not to remove it because it's like a keychain to me. It's a bling bling. I really like it guys. So by imeetu. Try my amigos and amigas putting all my cards here. Okay, this one card slot. Okay. And some paper bill that I went shopping yesterday. And some coins. Okay, let's try it. So this one, my amigos and amigas, see, is very high capacity and very durable. It can weight as much as 10 cards or 12. Well, 12 card slots. Okay, here is the paper bill. Sorry, I did not fix it properly. And the coins, it's here. Okay. This card holder wallet, my amigos and amigas, is very handy and very portable. You can carry it with you every day. And the leather is very soft and it's very durable. It can hold as much as much as 12 card capacity slots here. And the zipper, I really like it because it will not drop your coins or any other paper bill here. So I really like it. If you're gonna ask me my rating on this product, my amigos and amigas, I give it a 10 out of 10. Why? Because I really like it, especially the RFID blocking technology of this wallet. I really like it because your card and your information is very safe here. So you must buy it for yourself to be safe than sorry, okay? So this one, my amigos and amigas. So, and this one I don't like to remove it because I really like it. It's very cute and it's very handy. Amigos and amigas, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me. If you're interested in this product, I will put the link in the description box, guys, and feel free to choose any color, okay? So imeetu ID card holder wallet, really good one.